Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G71 5G, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar here in this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and find the battery section. It should be on the 4th position. So let's enter, and as you can see, actually in this very first section we've got the battery percentage option, so this operation is very easy. Right now it is obviously turned off because we've got only the battery icon on the status bar, so simply tap on this switcher, and as you can see, actually immediately next to the battery icon we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Of course, we can turn it off the same way. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Motorola Moto G71 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.